Hello, I'm Clive Gamble, Project Manager at AC Valve Alliance. I'm pleased to announce that we're now an officially licensed manufacturing partner for Starline ball valves. With this exciting new initiative, we're able to offer Starline ball valves manufactured fully in the UK to offer a unique and flexible fast-track delivery option. Here's a breakdown of the processes involved. Starline Italy will be responsible for issuing all manufacturing drawings and technical files to ensure product quality. All verifications and certifications are conducted in accordance with the rigorous standards set by Starline Italy. These processes will be executed by our highly trained team to maintain the highest level of quality throughout the process. All materials used within the manufacturing process will be sourced from within the UK and Europe. This ensures that the materials used meet the stringent regulatory requirements and comply with Starline's established quality standards. Bodies and closures will be machined fully in-house by our team. This offers several advantages and ensures that our product meets and exceeds customer requirements. To ensure complete traceability of the product throughout its life cycle, Starline Italy will issue the unique serial number. This enables effective tracking and identification of specific valves even after sale. Assembly and testing will be carried out by our qualified workshop, which is approved by Starline Italy. This ensures that the valve is assembled and tested to the highest standards. Components are sourced from Starline Italy and held in UK stock. This approach allows for efficient supply chain management and timely access to components for manufacture. By adding this capability, Starline strengthens its position as the most reliable and agile manufacturer in the market. This new agreement and our enhanced capabilities ensures that we can meet customer requirements for special materials on fast-track deliveries.